Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. There is one thing which I'm pretty sure every single XRP investor out there wants, and that is an end to this almost unlawful lawsuit put forward against Ripple. This lawsuit has caused very large amounts of damage to XRP, the cryptocurrency. Now, if you ask various people in the crypto community, they might have different opinions on this, but there's one common thing amongst everybody, and in fact a lot of people are just finding out recently, and that is SEC is not really your friend. SEC wants to go after pretty much every single crypto player out there, and it seems that Ripple is defending this as much as possible. And in today's video we are going to be talking about this, on how Ripple wants to end this lawsuit as soon as possible, but unfortunately SEC is hampering this lawsuit, the progress for XRP. And also we'll be talking about a new price prediction one of the analysts has put forward. So we'll be doing all of that in today's video. But before going to all of those details, let's take a look at the price of XRP today. The world of crypto, it was in the green today, and thanks to Bitcoin, especially the news coming out of El Salvador in which the bill has passed to legalize a Bitcoin as a legal tender, which is absolutely great news for the entire crypto world. Now, if you're talking about prices today, well, we saw green pretty much as I mentioned for everything, and for XRP it is trading at $0.85 at the time making this video, and it is about 4% up compared to yesterday, and a decrease of almost 17% compared to 1 week ago. And if you're looking at the overall pattern today, well, the price of XRP was at a low point of around $0.79, and since then it has slightly rebounded, but it is trading around the range of around $0.85 $0.86. Now, if you're looking at the daily chart, the summary stands at a strong sell. In fact, for the past couple of days, the summary for the daily chart, it has been at a strong sell. Both moving averages and technical indicators at a strong sell, and most importantly RSI is also at a sell position. Now, if you're talking about the weekly position, the summary is at a neutral point and the RSI is also at a neutral point. The important thing here is that RSI was previously at a sell position for the weekly chart, so it is at least good that it has come back to the neutral point. And for the monthly chart, the summary is at a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, technical indicators at a strong buy, and the RSI, it is at a neutral point. In fact, in the last couple of days we saw the RSI for the monthly chart change from a buy to neutral. Now, if you're talking about the price prediction that we have got from FX Street, some of the analysts for the FX Street, they put a price target of $5.5 for XRP, which, if you're an XRP investor, this sounds absolutely good news. This sounds a bit, in my opinion, too much of a hopium. They put this as long as Ripple remains trading above $0.71, it could rebound to a new all-time high. And they put the entire thing, they're basing this entire $5.5 target for XRP based on a head and shoulder pattern. And from what we have seen in the past, these things sometimes are true and sometimes they are not true, but specifically related to a head and shoulder, a multi-year head and shoulder pattern which we saw last time, and the price of XRP jumped by more than 100%. So I mean, we can expect that it might increase in the future, but again, a $5.5, it's going to smash its all-time high price point of $3.84. So this is something really good. So we are waiting to see what we might see in the future. Again, all of these things really depend on the Ripple lawsuit. Now, moving on to the big news of today, and that is Ripple has filed against the motion to extend the discovery process. If you guys have been following this lawsuit, and you should be if you're subscribed to my channel, SEC asked for a 60-day extension of this discovery process, and pretty much when this was announced, I think everybody in the Ripple and XRP community, they were extremely unhappy about this. So exactly, and rightfully so, Ripple has is against this extension, and that's why they sent out a letter to the judge talking exactly about this, and all the points they talked about this were extremely important in my opinion. They started talking about how since this lawsuit has started, a lot of markets have delisted XRP, and ODL, the on-demand liquidity platform that actually uses XRP, it remains frozen in the United States, which really hampers Ripple's business. They put it, within the days of SEC's filing, almost 20 exchanges delisted or suspended XRP. More have subsequently followed suit. Today, XRP is essentially illiquid in the United States, practically eliminating the possibility of ODL transfers into or out of the United States. And if you have been following my channel, you know how important ODL is for XRP. It is basically one of the biggest utilization of XRP is the on-demand liquidity platform. They put it, XRP's liquidity has also been hampered in other jurisdictions, damaging Ripple's ability to develop and market ODL worldwide. Every additional day this suit is pending is a day in which the XRP market remains improperly frozen in the United States and Ripple's business is unfairly hampered. And this is absolutely true every single day that we are still in this lawsuit. It is kind of a disadvantage, a huge disadvantage to XRP and basically the progress of XRP. Also, the SEC hasn't really given a good reason on why they want to really extend this deadline besides causing damages to Ripple and XRP. They put it, they want to get more critical documents, more depositions. And in reality, it is actually the other way around because Ripple has already provided more than 120,000 documents, and yet the SEC is not giving those critical documents of Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP and their classifications of security. So just an extension of this deadline would actually, in my opinion, hamper XRP's price if this is granted. In my opinion, I don't think it will be granted, but again, you never know. But overall, in the summary which Ripple puts it, they say an extension of the discovery schedule in this case would cause tremendous prejudice to Ripple. In addition, the SEC has not met its burden of showing that there is good cause to extend the schedule. The examples of ongoing discovery issues that it cites are largely attributable to its own unexplained delays in serving document requests, and it does not and cannot argue that it will not be possible to complete discovery on the existing schedule despite reasonable diligence. The SEC's request for extension should be denied, and I completely agree here. In the world of crypto, Ripple and XRP, let's say they are not the most likable crypto company and crypto token out there. But there's one thing which has kind of brought the world of crypto together and kind of backed Ripple and XRP here is against the SEC, because SEC has actually told the judge in one of the letters that they cannot basically lose this lawsuit. They cannot lose this case because it is going to set a precedence for other companies, other crypto tokens that the SEC is going to go after. And this is exactly the reason why it is so important for Ripple to win this lawsuit, because Ripple winning this lawsuit does not only benefit Ripple and XRP, it's obviously going to benefit them, but it is actually going to benefit the entire crypto industry. That is why it is so important, and I've been telling this in almost every video on why Ripple actually has to win this lawsuit. Since this is so important for the world of crypto, and that is the reason why I am covering this lawsuit. I have been covering this lawsuit and I will be continuing to covering this lawsuit in the future and giving you guys daily updates on my channel. So guys, I would highly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, or at least if you don't want to, give this video a like so it gets recommended to other people out there. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always I try my best to give you guys daily updates, and as I mentioned again, keeping you up to date. And do let me know what are your thoughts about today's video in the comment section below, because I do love reading all your comments. And as always, thank you guys for such supportive comments that I see regularly, even though I might not be able to reply to all of you. But again, thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. And as always, I will see you next time.